What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today, and I hope all your wishes and dreams come true. Now today's topic is going to be about 10 quick affirmations that I want you guys to rinse and repeat and just to say with me. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it. Let's go. Number 1, I am proud of myself for everything I've accomplished and for everything that I've overcome in my life. Number 2, no matter what decision I make in life, I know that my possibility is endless. Number 3, I choose to be happy. I choose to love myself every single day. Number 4, today is going to be a great day. Nothing but joy and laughter and good positive vibe. Number 5, I am intelligent and I'm talented. I will show the world my traits. Number 6, yeah, I am in love with myself, with my body, flaws and all. I accept who I am as a person. Number 7, yeah, I believe in myself to transcend to a new horizon. Number 8, I am grateful for all that I have. I appreciate everything I have in my life, and I am thankful. Number 9, I am worthy and I am enough. And we finally reached to the final destination, and that's number 10. I would not worry about things that I cannot control in my life. If you got to the end of this video, I hope you got a chance to daily 10 affirmations to your life every single day, and I hope this improve your lifestyle and improve your health, your wealth, your everything. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better.